Building cybersecurity skills with Abalos Cloud Native and Nexus technologies. Trellix WISE is a next-generation cybersecurity solution that combines generative AI and traditional AI to bring hyper-automation into endpoint detection and response, EDR. GenAI for advanced threat detection learns from massive datasets to identify sophisticated cyber threats in real time. Automated threat response speeds up investigation and remediation using AI-driven workflows. Reduces alert fatigue, helps security teams focus on real threats, not false alarms. Traditional antivirus, AV/ENS, uses signature-based detection, meaning it can only detect known threats. EDR, Endpoint Detection and Response, uses AI, behavior analysis, and real-time monitoring to detect unknown threats, fileless malware, and advanced attacks. Proactive, stops threats before they execute. Investigative, provides forensic data for deeper analysis. Automated, AI-powered response to minimize damage. With Trellix WISE, EDR is getting even smarter, faster, and more effective in securing your endpoints. Understanding cybersecurity tools like Trellix WISE requires hands-on experience. Through the Mentorship program at Abalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies, mentees can gain real-world cybersecurity skills, learn threat detection, incident response, and cloud security, work on DevSecOps projects to bridge the gap between development and security. The DevSecOps Dojo from Cloud Underground offers structured training on DevSecOps best practices, hands-on experience with cloud security, automation, and compliance, community support and mentorship for cybersecurity professionals. With Trellix WISE and a strong cybersecurity learning path, future security experts can develop the skills needed to protect modern digital environments. Trellix, Trellix WISE, #EDR, #cybersecurity, #GenAI, #threat detection, #endpoint security.